In this video, we are going to see how to select a large amount of data, especially when we are applying a formula in a cell. Say, we have to find the sum of the production per annum in 1990 in this yellow filled cell. So normally what we do is equal to sum tab, and then we select the cell and then start dragging it using a mouse. Now in this case you can see it is taking a lot of time. Now this is only till row number 115, so it happened very quickly. But say if you have data which runs into thousands of lines, then this will take a large amount of time and there is a chance that you will lose the track of the data also. So to avoid it, how we can do this is, so we will see two ways to do it. That is, in one case, which is we are going to see now, put sum, go to the cell of which is at the start of the data by using down arrow key, then press Ctrl Shift and press the down arrow key once. So the whole of the data will be selected in one go. Then you can enter and you will get the sum value. Now this is easy in the case where especially what you have is the data is continuous, that there is no gaps in between. Now let us take an example where we have gaps in the data, like in here. So again equal to sum, go to that particular start of that particular data. Then this time if we press Ctrl Shift down arrow, it will go to the next maximum available area, and again we will have to press it and keep on pressing it till we reach the end. So it is a bit cumbersome. A better idea is to use Ctrl Shift End. Now in this case it will select a lot of data, so we will need to keep selecting Ctrl Shift and press the side once more and then remove the control and only with Shift start pressing one by one. So this is the cell which we have in which we were doing earlier. Now you can enter. So it depends on the data. If you are having a lot of data, so the Control Shift End will take you to the end of the data. I hope the tip was clear to you and you will be able to use it very easily when you are working in your data set. Thank you.